Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video we will discuss about list collection class. List class store the elements inside the collection in same order in which they inserted. List class allows us to store the duplicate elements inside it. And syntax of list collection class is list data type object name equals to new list data type. This is the syntax of the list collection class. Next is the methods of list collection class. These are the number of methods used in list collection class. Add all, add integer index position, element name, remove, is empty, sort, size, clear, get, set, clone, index of, and contains. Let's see example of list collection class. Go to setup and open developer console. I am create one new class. Name is list demo list demo 1. Inside this class I am create one method. Name of method is list method. Inside this I am create list collection class by using this syntax. List data type, list I am right here data type string, object name, sorry, list name equals to new list string. In this way we can create list. After that I am add some values to this list. Str list dot add, first value is Maharashtra, second value I am add Delhi. After that I am simply print this list by using system.debug str list plus str list. After that open execute anonymous window and create object list demo 1 pj equals to new list demo 1. Object dot method name is list method. After that click here execute. After that click here debug only. We can see we got the Maharashtra and Delhi value. After that I am create another list here. List string name of list is str list 2 equals to new list and string, and add some value to list 2. str list 2 dot add Gujarat system dot debug str list 2 and prints the value str list 2. Save this, open execute anonymous window and execute. After that debug only, we got the list 2 value Gujarat. After that I am simply add this list 2 value to list 1. Here I am write list str list 2 dot add all. Add all is method str list. Save this, debug and execute. Now we can see that uh, list 2 contain Gujarat, Maharashtra and Delhi. In this way we can add one list to another list. After that I am here simply add str list 2 dot clear. Save this and execute. Now list 2 value contain 0, it is means it is empty because we write here clear method. After that next method is clone. Equals to str list 1 dot clone. Save this and execute. Now we can see we got the clone value. List 1 contain Maharashtra and Delhi value, and list 2 also contain Maharashtra and Delhi value. Next method is contains. I'm just remove this, also this. Okay. I'm write a result equals to list 1 str list dot contains Maharashtra. Save this. Okay, and simply remove this and write here dot contains Kerala. Save this and execute. Debug only. It returns a false because list 1 is not contain value Kerala. Okay, after that next is get. Here I am write get method and pass the index to. Save this and execute. Sort of font. Okay, this list not contain because string. This first list is contain only two value. That's why I got error. Now it execute. Debug only. It contain Delhi because I am here right index 1. Maharashtra contain 0 index and Delhi contain 1 index. After that next method is index of. Here I am right index of Maharashtra. Hmm. Here index of Maharashtra. Save this and execute. We got the 0 minus 1. Okay, after that next method is empty. Is empty. Save this and execute. Debug only. It uh, it return false because list contain two values. After that next method is size. Save this After that, click execute. it it return the size of the list 2. After that, last method is the sort. Here I'm write str dot is sort, and then print here, save this, and execute. I got one error. Save this and again execute. Debug only. Now we got the first value, Delhi. Now list is sorted. These are the number of methods in list. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.